Here's Nadine dancing to Taylor Swift.
My brother is recording Nadine rocking out. Rock up. Huh?
Easy for you.
That's fine. It's there. But my aunt, she lost her phone. She can't find it nowhere in the house. But it's in the house, you know? Like, we've seen it in the house. It's just, she don't know where she put it. Look, even Paul said it. He said, Nadine probably took it. No, we said that too. Like, she probably hide it. But
No. We already interviewed her.
we already interviewed her.
So many times.
But she just answers back.
Nadine, why not dancing?
Yeah, we look behind the couch. We look behind the couch and like, you know how like it could go inside the couch and you look in there? Yeah, we checked everywhere, babe. Phil's room, my dad's room, bathroom, kitchen, trash. We even look in the trash. Refrigerator. I said look in the fridge, but she didn't even go to the fridge.
She did
Oh, and then she looked in the fridge. Yeah, I know. Big.
What the?
That's why I told you, why don't you look in the fridge?